YouTube.
It's not no sound in it no more?
It needs to be muted. It needs to be muted.
Ain't no sound, buddy. I didn't know that. Now you can't listen to the cartoon. How you feel about that? You mad? You mad because you can't listen to it? You sorry. You watching cartoons with daddy. Look. Phone. Say hi. I'm Leecal. I watch cartoons with daddy. But mommy turned the volume down. I can't hear it. And I'm getting a little upset about it. But it's okay.
Man, I won't regret.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here you go. He getting mad. He said, turn it up. You getting mad because you can't hear the cartoon news? Huh? You better say turn it up. Say turn it up, mommy.
You know what? I wonder why Rugrats, the cartoon, is not like...
Oh! He spit up.
Oops. It's not like Barry. No, like white people. Everyone now. Not everyone. Not everyone is white.
Everyone is white.
Not everyone. In the cartoon.
Girl, I'm finna Michael Jackson your ass. It don't matter if you're black or white. Hee hee. It don't matter if you black or white. Mama done messed up your TV time. Say, mommy, you messed up my TV time. I was having TV time, mommy. Yeah, look at her. Look at her just like that. Look at mommy. Let's go. You look at mommy. Say, mommy, I had TV time and you was messing it up. Now what I supposed to do, huh? All right, come on, let's get burped. All right. Hi, I'm Leecal, and I'm Daddy. And it's time for burping with Daddy. Now, just go put your hand right here. Just a little soft on his neck, not too hard. And put your hand on his chest like this, and you're gonna go whoop, just like that. Just hold him on your leg. Burping with Daddy. Doom 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 doom. Burping with Daddy. Doom 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 doom. Burping with Daddy. Doom 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 doom. Burping with Daddy. Burping with Daddy. Got a big burp and it won't come out. Burping with Daddy. So he helped me get the burp out my mouth.
So
Burping with Daddy.
subscribe to
Burping with Daddy.
join the channel. And why not?
Burp, 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 burp. Burping with Daddy. Gotta get burping, it won't come out. Burping with Daddy. So Daddy helped me get the burp out my mouth. Burping with Daddy. Got a big burp and it won't come out.
Mainly,
Burping with Daddy.
this channel is actually for him.
Yep. Everybody who want to follow him, y'all want to see him grow and talk and laugh and play and goo goo gaga and also burp. Subscribe. Say subscribe. Leecal. You gonna wave at him? Oh, you putting your hand on your chin? Oh, you a boss. I'm a boss man. Put my hand on my chin. I don't know what to do about all this. Y'all subscribe, alright? If y'all want to see me more. If y'all think I'm just a cute baby, the most handsome baby y'all ever seen, subscribe. You okay, buddy? He's just looking. Are you tired now? You tired? Okay. Come on. If you tired, come on, let's go lay down, okay? Well, guys, he's tired. It's time for him to lay down. Say, I tired. Nope, not that way. All right, turn your head this way. Come on. There you go. All right. You can chill out right here by mommy, okay? And daddy right here. You okay? Just go and take your nap. You'll be back up.
We love you.
We love you. Okay?
Good night.
Go and take your nap. Time for you to go to sleep, sleepy. Subscribe.
What is this? Oh, deal dash. DealDash.com. That's interesting. Really interesting. Paying $50 for something that you don't need. Damn. Car insurance. Okay. Bye, you guys. Bye, y'all. I'll catch you on the flip side.